How to get the fastest auto clicker in Blade Ball. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments, but let's get started right away. So in order to get the best auto clicker for Blade Ball, it's super easy. All you basically want to do is open up a new search tab and simply search for auto clicker. Now, basically any auto clicker works, but I really like the OP auto clicker, the one right over here. And if you click on it, you will have to click on the orange download button. This will bring you over to the SourceForge website. And what you then want to do is don't click on any of the download buttons. Simply wait, because here is a countdown. And once the countdown is over, it will automatically download right over here. So do not click on these buttons right over here because these are ads and scams. So yeah, do not click on there. Once you have downloaded it, you want to open it up. And this is the auto clicker. So I recommend simply saving this somewhere you can easily access it. And what I then recommend to do is simply, here you have the milliseconds. So that is how fast you will click. So let's say you would have put it on 1 second, then you would click 1 time per second. But if you put it, for example, to 1 millisecond, then it will be extremely fast. So before you actually start this auto clicker in game, what I recommend doing is simply go to hotkey setting, and then here the start and stop button, change this instead of F6 to a button which you find easy to access. So what you could, for example, do is put it, for example, on Q. Like that is right beside the W, so it should be easy to access, or maybe on E. And by the way, to actually select something, you want to click on this button, and then you can select any key you would like to. And then once you click on OK, you can see that the start button is now on E. By the way, make sure to keep it on repeat until stopped, so it goes infinitely instead of stopping after a couple of times. And then when you click on E, the auto clicker basically works. And then when I press E again, it stops. That is how to get the fastest auto clicker in Blade Ball.